Many homeowners want to create living spaces that feel open, bright, and connected to the outdoors. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by installing bay windows. Known for their distinctive design that extends outward from a home's exterior wall, bay windows provide expansive views, increased natural light, and enhanced visual appeal. For homeowners in Murray, bay windows offer a practical and attractive way to maximize outdoor views while improving the overall comfort and character of a home. Whether overlooking a landscaped yard, mountain scenery, neighborhood green space, or a beautiful garden, bay windows help bring the outdoors into everyday living spaces. What makes bay windows unique? Bay windows typically consist of 3 connected window sections. A larger center window is flanked by 2 angled side windows that project outward from the home. This design creates a panoramic viewing area that extends beyond the flat plane of a traditional wall. The angled configuration allows homeowners to enjoy a broader field of view compared to standard windows. Instead of looking directly outward through a single pane of glass, bay windows capture views from multiple directions, creating a more immersive visual experience. This architectural feature has made bay windows a popular choice for homeowners seeking both beauty and functionality. Expanding outdoor sightlines. One of the greatest advantages of bay windows is their ability to dramatically expand outdoor sightlines. Traditional flat windows limit views to a single direction. Bay windows, on the other hand, provide multiple viewing angles that allow homeowners to see more of their surroundings. Whether enjoying seasonal changes, watching children play in the yard, or simply appreciating the landscape, bay windows create a stronger connection with the outdoors. This expanded perspective often makes rooms feel larger and more open while enhancing everyday enjoyment of the property. Bringing more natural light indoors in addition to improving views, bay windows increase the amount of natural light entering a home. Because the window structure projects outward and includes multiple glass surfaces, sunlight can enter from different angles throughout the day. This increased daylight helps brighten interior spaces and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Many homeowners find that rooms with bay windows feel more cheerful and welcoming, even during seasons when daylight hours are shorter. The added natural light can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during daytime hours. Creating a more spacious feel, bay windows contribute to a sense of openness that many homeowners appreciate. The outward projection creates additional interior space that visually extends the room beyond its original footprint. Even a modest extension can make a noticeable difference in how a room feels. This effect is especially valuable in living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, and home offices where homeowners want to maximize both comfort and aesthetics. The result is a brighter, more spacious environment that feels connected to the surrounding landscape. Enhancing living areas. Bay windows are versatile and can improve a variety of rooms throughout the home. Popular installation locations include living rooms, family rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, reading nooks, home offices. In each of these spaces, bay windows create a focal point while offering beautiful outdoor views and abundant natural light. Many homeowners use the additional space beneath the window to create cozy seating areas, display decorative items, or incorporate built-in storage solutions. Improving curb appeal. Bay windows enhance not only the interior of a home but also its exterior appearance. The architectural depth and dimension created by a bay window add visual interest and character to the property's facade. Whether complementing a traditional, contemporary, or transitional design, bay windows often become one of the home's most attractive features. For homeowners looking to improve curb appeal, bay windows offer a stylish upgrade that can enhance the property's overall appearance. Supporting energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are designed with energy performance in mind. Many feature advanced technologies such as double or triple pane glass, low E glass coatings, insulated frames, high-performance weather-stripping, energy-efficient glass packages. These features help minimize heat transfer and improve insulation while still allowing homeowners to enjoy expansive outdoor views. As a result, homeowners can benefit from both beauty and efficiency. Increasing property value. Home improvements that combine visual appeal and functionality often contribute positively to property value. Bay windows are frequently viewed as desirable architectural features because they enhance natural light, expand views, and improve the overall character of a home. Potential buyers often appreciate the unique design and added sense of space that bay windows provide. This combination of aesthetic and practical benefits can make a property more attractive in the housing market. A beautiful way to enjoy Murray's surroundings. Bay windows offer an exceptional way to maximize outdoor views while enhancing comfort, natural light, and interior space. Their distinctive design allows homeowners to enjoy broader sightlines and a stronger connection to the outdoors from the comfort of their homes. For Murray property owners seeking to create brighter, more inviting living spaces, bay windows represent a smart investment that delivers lasting beauty and functionality. With their ability to transform both interior and exterior spaces, bay windows continue to be a popular choice for homeowners who want to make the most of their surroundings.